Austin Air Company presents If Thermostats Could Talk. When it comes to your heating and cooling system, the thermostats are represented by two separate yet equally important characteristics. The thermostats that display the actual temperature and the thermostats that display a rough estimate. If they could talk, these are their stories.
You had better be talking about the weather, young man.
Do you live in or near Katy, Texas, Cypress, Texas, or Richmond, Texas? If you do, you can give me a call at 832-475-6895. Or, for more information, you can visit me on my main website at www.austinairco.com. For Austin Air Company, my name's Ray Austin. I hope you have a comfortable day, and thank you for watching.
Toasty.